So in this video, we're going to be talking about online courses and how it can be sold on Skool. So to do this, what we're going to do is we're going to come over to the classroom section, and here we're going to click on new course. Now, once you click on new course, let's say I'm going to name this course bio. And you can add in some random description who can have access to this course. Now, all members in your community can access this, or only some members can access it, mainly meaning that a member who is specifically assigned to this course or members of a certain level. Okay, so I'm going to go with all members for now. Okay, you're going to upload a cover if you want to, and you're going to click on add. Now, once you click on add, what this will do is it will publish the course onto your Skool. Okay, and once this course is published, you can add new pages for yourself. Okay, so in those new pages, you can add different details, etc. So basically, that is how you are going to be selling courses on Skool. Thank you for watching all the way till the end, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye. How to make money with Skool. In this video, we're going to be talking about Skool and how you're going to be making money with it in the easiest way. So to start things off, what you're going to do is you're going to go over to the classroom section, and here you're going to click on new course. Now, once you click on new course, you're going to add a name and a description. And once you do that, you're going to go to this section where it says who can access this course, and you are going to go ahead to members of a certain level, and you're obviously going to increase the level to whatever level you want to keep it at. And once you do that, you're going to click on add. And obviously anyone who wants to subscribe to this course now will have to be a certain level. Okay, and when they're at a certain level, as you can see, what's going to happen is that they're going to have to pay you to get to that course. And that is basically the main idea of how you are going to start getting money off of Skool. It's pretty simple and it's pretty straightforward. And also make sure that you go to the subscription section, and basically you can add a price to your Skool. So right now it's free, but if you add a price, you're going to need to connect your bank account, and what that does is it basically acts as a subscription.